Faltering at the very last moment. One more point to the Koreans. They save the second game point.
20.
Yes, the Koreans are still not giving up, even though it's a huge lead taken by Indonesia. But that's a thing to learn, I think, for the future players. That never give up, even if there is so much lead.
Win.
Well, finally it ends up
First
with
game won
Indonesia
by
there,
Indonesia.
moving on to lead
21-12.
and win this game 21-12, the first game of this. So 19 minutes, 21-12 to Maheshwari and Polai. Gracia Polai, the lady of the match so far.
Yeah, okay.
Fantastic play of aggression from
Court
her.
to
Beautiful in
20
defense,
seconds.
well controlled,
Court to
and intelligently just
20
converting
seconds.
defense into attack for her side. So the two Indonesians wrapped up the first game 21-12 in style there
Volley.
as they eat the energy bars. They know they have to really be at the extreme best. They want to get one back for Indonesia and get on the scoreboard. As far as the tie scores are concerned, they're down 0-1. With Sung Ji-hoon winning the first women's singles match against Fanetri in 2 games.
Volley. Volley. It is more than 2 minutes. You are taking long
Well,
time.
there,
Next time
the
it will not-
supporters
it will
there
be
all geared up.
quick.
I think it's part of the Indian festival Deepavali, it looks like it.
Well,
Second
yes, the
game.
atmosphere in the stadium has been so
Love
lively with all these
play.
drums and various, cheering and going on throughout the tournament.
And the cracking of a smash there, you can hear it loud and clear. They mean business, these two Indonesians.
Look at that, Gracia playing her role as a senior player for Nitya, always creating that opening very intelligently, placing the shuttle at the right place
Service
and just making Nitya finish it.
1-all.
That's right. Well, she was in the right place there, Maheshwari. Well, that's the danger girl there.
Service over.
So much control, she keeps on changing and varying her strokes. Gracia Polai did extremely well in the first game in the 21-12 victory for Indonesia. That's one more. Great anticipation, stood her ground there on the net and brought it down. There she is. And yes, the winner.
I think the only strategy in this match what I see is whoever is going for the attack is going to get or score more points, and we have seen the Indonesians completely keeping that attack and not allowing the Koreans at all to get into that.
The flick service not really coming off well, almost to the center of the court, punished by Kim.
4. Service 5-2.
Moving ahead now, surging ahead, Indonesia, 5-2. Fantastic badminton. What a supreme effort by the two Indonesians. Maheshwari there on the net. And a partner Gracia charging from behind, smash after smash. Keeping the Koreans guessing all the time.
But what you see is they never gave up that attack, never played any relaxed stroke, and they just continued. And of course, the Koreans were also checking their strength.
Well, hard work there. Showing on her face. Maheshwari got that point for a team. Nicely judged. Koreans really floundering there, not knowing what is to be done. Everything they do, there is an answer back from the Indonesians. And Jung this time outside the sideline. Oh, well played, great anticipation. She saw the shuttle coming, it was coming at a fast pace. But Maheshwari was there, bringing it down like a thunderbolt. 8-2.
Play.
Well, beaten this time by the cross court from Yang.
Service 3.
Shuttle not going deep enough. Korean was there. There she goes. And catching the opponent by surprise. Great angle to play that shot. Down the line this time. Use of the wrist.
Service
Shoulder.
9.
And a slight change in the pace you saw. Nitya has been hitting real hard smashes throughout the match. At the last minute, she just played a little softer one, and I think that confused the Korean.
She had almost got that one off.
4.
After
9.
3 quick defending shots, she makes that error. Well, still 5 points ahead. Not too many problems for Indonesia right now. Control deserting her at this
9.
juncture as the Koreans get one more back. That's Kim. Great return of service.
Serve.
She moved in for that
5.
service, receiving it, just brings the shuttle down. Gracia Polai and gets her team to 10-5. The opening was there, the execution was not. 6-10, getting one back. Kim and Jung.
A good one there by Nitya.
Service serve.
Well, the Indonesians winning the first 21-12 and really playing well to lead now 11-6. That's the two girls from Indonesia, Gracia Polai and Maheshwari, playing really scintillating badminton here at the Sirifort complex, where the 2014 leading Thomas and Yuva Cup is being played in the new format. 16 top teams assembled here for this great badminton festival.
Gracia.
The birthplace of modern badminton is India, so it is very apt that the new format of this very popular game is being played in India at New Delhi, and Indonesia leading in doubles, winning the first game 21-12 and 11-6 in the second. This is the first ladies doubles match of this tie. Oh yes, great poaching there, just intercepting it, shuttle going on her right side, just leaned into the shuttle and plonked it down. There you see her again. That's great presence of mind, Gracia Polai, 12-6.
Service serve.
A good rally there.
7-12.
There you see Nitya stretching herself completely, playing that cross court, but came right there. Good serve there by Kim, forcing Nitya
12.
to push it in the net.
Nine, 12.
nicely set a point. This was long run, played at a
10,
furious pace.
12.
And finally, the Koreans really getting it back, and one more point, so 10-12. That was the point. Gracia doing all the work on the other side, but finally getting caught on that lovely counter on the smash by
Play.
Yang. Great anticipation.
11.
Maheshwari waited too long to play that shot, and Kim there came rushing in.
Yeah, I think the Koreans are looking much more charged up now and trying to attack more.
Service over. 13-11. Play.
Well, gelling very well now, Kim and
Service
Jung. And the coach there
12,
telling them,
13.
use your brains, think and play. Animated coach for the Koreans. They were down a lot in middle of this game. 11-7, and they've come back into reckoning now. Gets one back
Service
there.
over.
Nicely set up opening, nicely set up game there
14.
by Maheshwari.
12.
That's the first one. Second, and she really wraps it up. Moving into that position to hit that winner. Well, the two Indonesians team on court right now, both the Thomas Cuppers and the Yubo Cuppers. Big number of players and officials seem to have taken up this stadium. Well, a beautiful retrieve by Gracia, could not get at a point there. As if Korea comes to 13-14.
14. Service over.
I think it's just gone
15.
wide.
13. Service over. 14-15.
An error with the service at the crucial time. And there the Koreans are
15
equalizing
all.
with Indonesia at 15 all. Sanjay, the Indonesians had a comfortable lead even in the second game.
Absolutely 11-7 at the break. But the clever strategy of Koreans has been from that point onwards is to
16.
come to the net early,
15.
try to get the opening for the side, go into attack, and that's what has paid them off. This time also, left-hander Kim Yang making a mistake there, but she had moved in the right direction to block that shuttle. Well, she left it too late there. Gracia pulling that one
16
to the
all.
baseline, but the stroke falling short, and Kim was there waiting for that smash. Well, this time also the lift not really going as deep as she
17,
wanted to go,
16.
and she left her partner vulnerable. That's the one, that lift almost on the first baseline allowed Yang to play that winner on Maheshwari. So the Koreans now 17-16. Very clever tactics there, isolating that one player on the baseline by the Koreans, and the target is Maheshwari. And finally, they get that point, Maheshwari. Lot of hard work from this girl.
17 all.
What an effort by the Indonesians in this rally.
Yes, Nitya was consistently hitting those smashes, wearing a little bit of pace in them. I think that has worked to her strategy, and finally Jang playing it out, rather driving it out.
Well, she put relentless pressure there on the two Koreans to get that equalizer for a team. They know it's very important that they wrap it up now
Okay.
because they'll be tired if this match is thrust to the third set.
Come on, Nitya.
Bit of advice
Play.
from the coach. There is the look back to him on the Indonesian side. Crucial moments in this second game.
Service over. 18-17.
I think attack is the answer for this match. Whoever is going for the attack is getting points. So I think if Korea follows this strategy, I think they can get away with the second game.
Well, they're close. They're 18-17 now. Well, this is a test of patience and character here. both the sides. What a fantastic rally this is. Well, somebody has to blink here. Highlight of this tournament so far. Oh! Finally, the Indonesians blink first.
17.
What a fantastic display of badminton this was. What a great rally. Finally, the girls, all four of them were pushed into playing defensive shots, slowing down the game. And Gracia there, pushing that shuttle into the net. But in my opinion, Trupti, all four were winners as far as this rally was concerned.
Yes, all of them were attacking initially, and then I think they were a bit tired, and after that they started with the tosses and drops. I think it was just a test of their patience and fitness.
And the umpire also very benevolent there, allowing them time to settle down. Must have taken a lot out of these four. So they come charging back now. 18-19 to Indonesia.
18-19.
The drums have been out, the sticks have been out. Indonesia seems to have taken up the entire stadium. You can hear it. Come well prepared to back up the stars. Gracia now, 18-19. What can she do? Well, that has been called out.
Correction in.
But the chair umpire has overruled that, and that was correctly done.
Servicer.
As the Koreans
20,
move on to the game point.
18.
The lines judge making an error, promptly overruled by Uday Sane, the chair umpire.
Game.
Nicely played, lovely tap on the net.
Second game won by
Moved very fast
Korea.
there.
21-18.
And she brought it
One
down.
game all.
21-18 is the score in the second game for Korea. So 46 minutes so far, and the Koreans really fighting it hard to get the second game back on. 21-18. So hard work for all the four players, and what a match this has
Court
been.
to
Absolutely riveting.
20 seconds.
Great
Court to
display of badminton
20
by these
seconds.
four girls. Great ambassadors for the game. Not giving an inch, not giving a quarter. And really hanging in there rally after rally. It's been real hard work. 48 minutes on the court, and we are just about to begin the third game.
Who will serve?
Test of character, test of patience. In short,
Final game.
badminton could not be better.
Love all. Play.
Well, a tired looking response from Gracia.
Love.
Gracia Polai.
Service. 1.
That's a good comeback by the Korean girls in spite of trailing in the first game, rather losing the first game and trailing the second game.
Service. 3-1.
Well anticipated. Nice tap on the net. So the Koreans really starting off where they finished the second game. Well, again a long rally this time. This is actually becoming quite common now as far as these four are concerned.
Yes, we are getting to see a lot more rallies, good ones. But at the same time, which is a bit unusual in the women's double, we are seeing a lot of attack coming from both the ends.
Well, pulling it outside there.
3-all.
And again, all four of them playing with a lot of concentration. They know that they have to go for every shot, every point. That's the one. She tried to deflect it on the far side. Not able to find the court.
Service over. 4-3.
Well, the point coming away from Maheshwari, slipping there. That was the drop that did the damage. Unable to get up from that position, Maheshwari. Right leg slipping there.
Okay. Thank you.
And 1 point ahead. Koreans. Good start for this third game by Korea.
Service over. 4-all.
4-all. Third game, Korea, Indonesia. Fantastic game of badminton right now. These four ladies.
Service
Slowly the unforced errors creeping in now,
Five.
both sides.
4.
This time the victim was Gracia Poli. Lot of hard work already by all of them. Getting out of trouble there, Gracia. Oh yes, finally the Koreans finding the target after this long rally, get the opening and they charge in to win that point. That's the one. Turning defense into attack, they get the opening and look at that shot. Gracia there caught by surprise, 6-4 to Korea.
I think we are seeing our finest women's doubles. What we are seeing between Indonesia and Korea. I think it's a complete test of patience
Right.
and strength.
That's right. Test of patience, strength, character.
Service 5, 6.
Well, the service return was quite good, almost pushing the shuttle in the face of the server there. Oh, mistake there, Gracia. She followed the shuttle on the cross-court side, moved with the shuttle, caught it high up,
5.
but trying to play very close on the net. There you see her moving ahead. Slightly late there in executing that stroke. 7-5 to Korea. Nice counter from Maheshwari.
15, 16.
Well, that was the reaction from her, pumping her fist in the air. Really played a good shot there. Not much time to react, but she came out with a winner. 15-16. Nice return of service
Service
from the left-hander Zhang.
17, 15.
Leaned in and found an empty spot on the court on the far side. This has been badminton of absolute high order. Two of the finest pairs in the world battling it out. Oh, nicely played. What a winner that is. Fantastic presence of mind. Marvelous shot there on the net. At one stage it looks as if she had lost the point. That smash coming fast. Somehow she keeps the shuttle in play and look at that cross court. Koreans absolutely stunned. 16-17.
Play. Service.
Well, moving now slowly towards the finishing post here. This lefty-righty combination of Korea going for down the line cross-court smashes. Now they are really moving ahead, playing well, gelling well here, playing in a lot of rhythm. Yes, again came in front, getting the opening, that push on the far side. Got the opening for a partner who hammered from behind. That was the shot. And that is the winner. Well, happy Koreans there. 19-16 is the score, and they really have a lot to smile about. The match yet to finish. This is the time Indonesia really has to do something different. Like that, they have to combine, they have to come in with a lot of force. 19-17.
19. Play.
Yang on the net. Hard work done by both the Koreans, both the Indonesians, but finally the Koreans
17.
moving on to match point. Again a long rally, full of long rallies this match. And the winner from Yang. To the wire. This match really being pushed to the wire. Long match. More than an hour. Not over yet.
Service.
Moved well in that
18,
service.
20.
She knew that it is a bit high. Took her chances. Good. Went for the tap. There you see it. And kept it under control. 18-20. Well, the Indonesians hanging on, showing nerves of steel. And the opening is there and it has gone out. My word, what an end to this match. Opening in front of her, court almost open, middle of the court, and Maheshwari hits a shot that goes outside the court, giving this match in 1 hour 16 minutes to Korea, 21-18 in the third game.
12